Hello, we have a few last-minute 2020 tax saving tips for you today. This is for personal or individual returns. For 2020 only, we have a charitable deduction that you can take up to $300 without using Schedule A to itemize. If you do use Schedule A or try to, and you're close to itemizing each year and you're not able to, then consider bunching. In other words, every other year, group your expenses together so that you can have more than the standard deduction. Now you can do this by increasing your charitable contributions every other year. You can also pay property taxes 2 times in 1 year. You could also make another mortgage payment before the end of the year and be able to increase your mortgage interest deduction. Also, with your child care expenses, make sure you're up to date in your payments and have your records ready for the year. Also, credit card charges are deductible even if they're not paid in the current year. So if you have some of these expenses that you haven't been able to pay so far, then consider using your credit card and you can count them in 2020. If you file Schedule D, consider offsetting any of your capital gains that you have this year by taking capital losses on your investments. Even managed accounts will often honor your request. If you like to make IRA contributions and you qualify, then go ahead and plan now to make those contributions by April the 15th. Will you receive another paycheck in December and you have a retirement account with your employer, then consider increasing your retirement contribution so that will defer the amount and will decrease your income tax liability. If you're already taking required minimum distributions from your retirement accounts, the law this year says that you're not required to take it. It's only for 2020. 2, if you anticipate having lower income, total income in 2020, and you already have an IRA account, you might do some calculating to see if it would be beneficial to convert some of your IRA account to a Roth IRA. You will pay the taxes, but it can now grow tax-free if you meet certain requirements. And if you have any education expenses, consider prepaying the tuition for the spring term of 2021, so that will increase your education credits that you will qualify for. If you have any questions, give us a call or send us an email. We'll be happy to help you implement any of these strategies.